Now, Spinus Perfection is a hybrid that can mature in 45 days also. Squash varieties such as yellow crooked neck take about 58 days to reach full maturity from seed. Harvest when they're 4 to 6 inches long. Now, other varieties such as yellowfin and golden glory take about 55 days to harvest from a seed. Another fast-growing variety is Tempest, which takes about 58 days to harvest from seed. So check your local stores, or better yet, you might have to check online since there's a wide variety of seeds available. Now, number 4 on my list, if you want to grow some greens, try planting Swiss chard. They can be ready as soon as 45 days. 30 if you plant from transplants. They take off in hot weather, which is a great thing since it's pretty hot right now, and it will last you past your first frost. Now, I'm not going to call it a superfood, but Swiss chard contains vitamin K, which helps your body heal from wounds and helps keep your bones healthy. Like the other leafy greens, Swiss chard is high in fiber, antioxidants, and very low in calories, which I definitely could use a break from. It also contains vitamin A to help your eyes, your skin, and your immune system. Swiss chard is also a good source of magnesium, which helps provide for healthy muscles, bones, and to help keep your nerves healthy. Now, I'm not a medical expert, but I read that if you are on blood thinners, you might want to avoid Swiss chard due to its high vitamin K content, which plays a role in blood clotting. So be careful out there and do your own research. Next on my list is dill. It's a great herb to start this time of year. It can be harvested within 60 days if grown from seed, or 40 days if you decide to use transplants. Dill is a great herb because it's fast growing and you can use the leaves as soon as the plant gets I'd say probably about a foot tall. Now, since you've hung around, I'm about to give you my wild card, which is the last item on my list. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification button. That way we can be here next time I'm hanging out in the greenhouse or even in the garden. Or if I'm inside, maybe dehydrating some fruit. Yeah, that's coming up. Now, number 1 on my list, and this one might be a surprise to you, but if you choose the right variety, you can still have time for tomatoes. Yeah, the Juliet variety can be ready in 60 days or less. Early Girl Bush variety can be ready in only 55 days. The Subarctic Plenty, sometimes marketed as Chili Willy, Chili Willy, is the world's fastest growing heirloom tomato bush type plant, which produces small 1 to 2 inch tomatoes within 42 days. As always, I suggest going with starts with something like tomatoes. Another quick producing variety, and its heirloom, is Early Girl. Those produce 6-ounce red tomatoes in 54 days. Another quick producing heirloom variety is Early Wonder, which produces 6-ounce tomatoes and red slicing tomatoes in 54 days. Other varieties such as Husky Cherry Red and Super Sweet 100 can be harvested within 65 days. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Now let's get out there and get a little dirty. Yeah.